Imagine this. A catastrophic tornado rips through your neighborhood, altering your property in a matter of seconds. The sirens have stopped. Your family or your tenants are safe, thank God. But your building is destroyed. Your roof is gone, structural beams are exposed, and water is pouring into the interior. You've paid your premium every single month, precisely for a nightmare scenario like this. You expect your insurance carrier to step up. But as senior property damage attorneys across Texas know, what happens next is often a second disaster. StormLex Law Group, led by founding attorneys Marco Flores and Manuel Pelaez-Prada, fight for commercial and residential policyholders in Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, and across all of Texas and Oklahoma. Today, we're breaking down the exact blueprint of what you need to do immediately after a tornado hits your house or building, and how to protect yourself from predatory insurance tactics. Let's jump right into the questions we get immediately after a catastrophic storm. Question 1. What are the first preliminary steps to take in Texas? First, life safety is paramount. Check for injuries, watch out for fallen trees, and stay far away from standing water or downed power lines. If you smell gas, leave the area immediately. But once it is safe to step back onto the property, your absolute first legal step is documentation. Before you touch a single piece of debris, pull out your phone. Take high-definition video and photos of every square inch of destruction. Question 2. What kind of temporary repairs can I make? Under Texas law and standard policy conditions, you actually have a legal responsibility to mitigate further loss. This means making temporary repairs like boarding up broken windows, removing fallen trees from structures, or getting a trusted local roofer to tarp the roof. Here's a crucial tip. Keep every single receipt for materials or emergency contractor labor. Your insurer is required to review them. But do not throw away any damaged physical property or structural debris until the insurance adjuster has inspected it. Question 3. Should I wait a certain amount of time to file a claim? Absolutely not. Do not wait. In Texas, there are strict statutory time limits to file property damage claims. When a major natural disaster strikes, Texas Department of Insurance data shows an immediate surge in claims. Insurance companies get overwhelmed, and behind closed doors, they often look for ways to tighten their pockets or shift goalposts to minimize payouts. The earlier your claim is documented and filed, the harder it is for them to claim your damage happened later or was caused by a different event. Question 4. Do I have to use my insurance company's recommended contractor? This is a massive trap. Your insurer will likely send out a preferred or recommended contractor and tell you it's the fastest route to rebuild. Here's the reality. Insurance companies use these networks to keep their expenses down. These contractors often do the work at a steep discount in exchange for a high volume of referrals from the carrier. While it isn't illegal, you are under no obligation to use them. You have the right to hire your own trusted local Texas contractor, public adjuster, or engineer who answers to you, not the insurance company's bottom line. Make sure you review your policy and look for a preferred vendor section to ensure you're not contractually obligated to use their preferred vendor. Here is what the multi-billion-dollar insurance industry doesn't want you to know. Following widespread catastrophes in Texas, carriers routinely activate a playbook designed to protect their profits at your expense. It's called the delay, deny, undervalue strategy. They will delay your claim hoping you get desperate enough to accept a lowball offer. They will deny that a tornado caused structural shifting, blaming it on pre-existing foundation wear or lack of maintenance. Or they will drastically undervalue the cost of construction materials, ignoring the local windstorm requirements and building code compliance mandates enforced by municipalities across North and South Texas. When an insurance company acts in bad faith, by intentionally underpaying or wrongfully delaying a legitimate claim, they are violating Texas law. And that is exactly where we step in. Surviving a tornado is stressful enough. Fighting an aggressive insurance company shouldn't be your second battle. Marco Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, Jake Rogiers, and the entire team at StormLex Law Group know how to spot bad faith tactics from a mile away. We review your policy, file the paperwork flawlessly, and hold the insurance company accountable. If your residential or commercial property took a direct hit, don't gamble on a preferred contractor or take a claims adjuster's word as gospel. Call StormLex Law Group today or visit us online at stormlex.com to schedule your free, no-obligation initial case consultation. We serve clients all across Texas and Oklahoma. Let us handle the insurance companies while you focus on rebuilding. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below if you're dealing with an insurance delay right now, and share this with a property manager or contractor who needs to hear it. Stay safe, Texas. We've got your back.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.